made it.
A few moments later.
So I'm sneaking on the camera real quick. So far I've been able to get a good one in today. Doing some abs right now. Finna go do some biceps and get the fuck out of here. Powered up to 10. Here's my point of view. What do you know? Another day, another successful trip to the gym. Got a little back day in, as you guys just saw. Just got the hydro massage in. That felt pretty decent. So now it's time to go get on with the rest of the day. Make sure that you continue to crush your goals once you leave the gym. This is just the start of the day. We got this. For me, the gym helps me realize that if you put some effort in, you can really make a difference. Because you start putting in some effort in, little by little, you start to see the difference. And I truly believe that's the same with life. I believe that if you keep putting in the little work in exponentially, next thing you know, when you look back, you'll have come a long way. You'll have made a big difference just by putting in a little bit every day. Consistency every day. So I'm here, knocking it out again. Jumping in the whip, young Yasuki, Dusty Yasuki, I should say. Make sure you carpe diem, chase your goals, get after them, because they're right there for you to get them. They're waiting on you. It's an envelope with your name waiting on you. Like Joey Diaz said, they can't see me on a Tuesday. I'm gonna go get my envelope, you know what I mean? So I hope to see you there, and we out.